Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me? So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon to get videos right when I release them. And then we are going to start drawing summer season today. So we are going to start off with the sand. This is going to be a beach scenery. So I'm going to draw and show you how to draw coconut trees and a girl sitting on the beach, like on the sand, and the sunset. So we are going to draw a little boat, and then we are going to draw the sunset, and I'm going to show you exactly how to color it as well. So let's get started. So you see here how easy it is to draw a coconut tree. So the leaves, the ones that are closer to the trunk, is most likely dead and about to fall. So you just draw it like they're kind of like dead, and all the other ones will be lively. So draw it like this, and then I'll show you how to color it at the end. So, and then these are going to be, the coconuts are going to be orange because I'm drawing king coconut trees today. So if you want to make it just green, you can. I thought having orange would give it a nice little color punch, so I'm going to do that. And I will show you how to add color in different areas as well, just to add to the drawing. So keep drawing the leaves like this. It's very easy. It's just lines going both ways, and then you can add to it with color. So in this I'm going to use just color pencils for the whole drawing. So how do you like this drawing? Let me know by commenting below, and don't forget to hit that like button so I know exactly if you like it or you don't like it, or leave a comment for me as well saying what you would like to see next, and if you like this drawing. And if you haven't seen coconut trees up close, they have grains on their trunk, so we have to draw that as well. That's why I drew lines along the trunk, so you can draw the same and keep adding leaves like I'm doing here, and then the coconuts as well. And I'll show you how to draw a girl sitting on the sand as well with an umbrella, which is like a nice little touch to the whole drawing. So this is part of the scenery collection that I'm drawing. So far I drew fall and winter time, and then the spring, like very recently. So if you want to draw those, I will put all those tutorials in the I button up top. So after this drawing, all 4 seasons are done. So if you want me to draw anything else and any other sceneries, let me know by commenting below, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment. Also, I want to thank all the people who bought my products from Redbubble. Thank you very much. It helps me tremendously to grow and keep bringing you nice videos every single day. Thank you very much. And if you want to look at my products, please check out the description box below. I put a link below for Redbubble. That's my storefront. It says can do, and you can go there and check out all the prints that I have, and it has so many different products as well as masks as well. Because of COVID-19, we all have to wear masks now. So check out the prints that I have if you like to buy those. And I'm going to put the colored drawing of this drawing in the prints as well. So check those products out if you are interested. And now we are going to go into the lady sitting on the beach. So I'm just going to draw a sun hat and hair. So she's looking towards the ocean. So we are drawing the back side, and then her body as well. So very easy thing to draw. And then we are going to go into drawing the boat, boat as well. We are drawing it at a distance, so it's really easy. So just triangles and a curvy line and you're done. And it's right in the middle, so when we are drawing the sun and drawing the shadow of the sun, we have to make sure to include the shadow of the boat as well. So I will show you how to color those with color pencils. I'm not going to draw the shadow on the paper with the marker, but I will show it to you. And now we are drawing the umbrella, beach umbrella for her to sit under. So it's very easy, just like that, so easy to draw. So you can draw the same. And even the beach, like the ocean, I'm going to show you how to draw water with color pencils. I'm not going to use the marker to show you this, so keep watching to get the water nice and silver looking because of the sunset. And I'm gonna draw a few birds on the sky as well, just far away, so just V shapes. So after adding the birds, just add in whatever details that you think is missing. You can always add another person or other beach umbrellas and chairs or whatever you like, beach balls, people playing volleyball, whatever you like, you can add to this a lot. And whatever makes you think of summer, so keep adding whatever you like. And please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get videos right when I release them. And now we are going to get into coloring. So like I said, use greens, browns, and a little bit of yellow. That's what I'm using for the tree leaves and coconut leaves. So I'm just going to use the leaves that are closer to the trunk. They're the dead ones, like I said before. So I'm going to make them a lot more brown than the other ones. So you will see how I color those. And I'm just going to show you two right now. And then the coconuts, I'm going to color them orange because I'm going to make them king coconuts. So I'm going to use orange and yellow like I'm doing here. You can do the same, and you can leave a little bit of white if you want to make it look like it's shining. So when it comes to the girl sitting, I'm not going to show you how to color it because it's pretty straightforward. The hat I used orange and yellow, and then the bow, even though it's black, I just went over with red. And then for the umbrella, I'm going to use yellow and pink and red so that it gives a nice color punch to the whole drawing. So you can do the same, or you can make it multicolored, like blue, green, or like blue, yellow, red. I've seen those too. So for the trunk, I'm using silver here just to give it a nice grainy look. And then I'm gonna go over it with brown. And you can see that the side that I'm coloring now is darker than all the other areas that I'm gonna color on the other side. And then I'm gonna use different types of browns until I'm satisfied with the color that I'm getting. So you can do the same, and you can add different browns and black and all these things, and then emphasize the grains on the trunk by using the marker again, or the pencil, whatever you used. So keep drawing. I hope you are enjoying this, and I know I am for sure. So let me know by commenting below if you like these kind of drawings. And also, if you have any requests, don't forget to let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to get good quality art supplies for less, right now they have a $20 sale going on. You can use Can Do 10 to get more savings. Just go to the description box below to Artisa Art Supply link and click on it and put the promo code, and they have a $20 sale going on right now. These are really good quality art products and very affordable as well. So check those out if you are interested in buying. And yeah, and then once you are done with the sand, just like that before, just add color until you are satisfied with the sand color that you're getting. So I used brown and little bit of gold, and brown, orange, and yellows. So you can do the same. And for the sky, this is what I wanted to show you. The blue sky, I'm going to color blue, and then a little pink for the clouds, like I'm doing here. And I'm going to keep adding to this. So I'm going to add and shade with white, you will see, like that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of gray as well. I'm adding pink here because when there's sunset, you will see that the sky gets really nice and pinky and purpley and also red and orange. So that's what I'm trying to get to here. So I hope you like it. Keep doing what I'm doing if you like this and you want to draw the same thing, and then keep adding color near the sun. So you see that sun, I didn't draw it yellow or anything, I just left it white, like it's shining like silver. And I'm going to shade it with white as well, like I'm going to use white to blend it all in together. Also, another thing that I've seen people do is they just get a wet paintbrush and go over the whole thing once they draw it. Even though they're not watercolor pencils, sometimes it gives a nice blend. So you can try doing that as well, just to blend in the pencil marks on the drawing. So, and then I'm gonna add reds here and there, like I'm doing here, and then purple, and I'll show you how to draw the ocean as well using color pencils. And see, here and there I'm just adding in lines of different colors to add to the sunset. So you see that I drew a line at the horizon to for me to make sure that that's where the sky ends and the water begins. So you can do the same, or you can make that line with your color pencils as well. I did it with the marker. So I hope you like it. Just let me know what you like to do in the summertime and what is your favorite place to be during summertime. And if you want me to draw your favorite place, let me know. I will draw that for you and show you how to draw it. And now adding the water. So you can see that I'm adding water and I'm holding the pencil to the side and adding lines so that it looks like waves coming towards the lady who's sitting. And here and there I'm not adding lines in a straight line, but like waves, like you can do the same. And then I'm gonna add in the shadow of the boat, just a triangular shape right underneath the boat with black. And then I'm gonna add yellows on the water, but I'm gonna leave white here and there. This is where the sun shadow will be on the water. So you can do the same and just add color to this area, and you can color the rest in blue. I will show you how to draw that as well. So if you want me to go slower and give you more details of coloring, let me know. I just did it fast here and omitted some of the areas that I was coloring because I didn't want to make this video too long. But if you want me to show you how to do it, please let me know. I will draw and show you in another drawing how to shade and color as well. And then I will just show that, and also to do it with color pencils or any other medium that you like. Let me know and I will do that for you. Please comment below, and if you want me to draw anything else as well, like I said, let me know. I will draw that for you as well. So I really hope that you are enjoying this video. I love drawing sunsets and water, so I hope you enjoyed this as well. So now I'm just adding in blue here and there. So what I'm doing is, my base lines are the purple lines that I drew originally, and I'm going to add color and keep blending those purple lines with other colors. So I'm going to add blues, light blue, dark blue, again purple and some reds, oranges and yellow right underneath the sun area, and then add in purple again and again. So keep adding colors until you are satisfied with what you're getting, and then blend in. You can use white again for this as well, just to blend in all the colors together. Or like I said before, some people just use a wet paintbrush and go over the whole thing, so that it gives it a nice blend as well. If you want to do that, I didn't do that, but so keep drawing it until you get what you want. So this is the colored drawing of my sunset summer vibe drawing. So I hope you like it. If you do like it, don't forget to hit on my logo right here and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to watch my next videos. I put some good ones for you, and please don't forget to come back and leave a comment. And so I hope you like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.